Top 5 Best Dehydrator for Mushrooms. Number 5. COSORI Premium Food Dehydrator. This entry-level dehydrator blends having a more high-end machine with a more approachable size and price tag. Small enough to fit on your countertop, this machine can dehydrate anything from fruit to jerky, and, yes, mushrooms too. It also comes with extra sheets and recipes so you're ready to get started right out of the box. Unlike a lot of dehydrators in this price range, it also has a timer. Pros mid-level machine that still fits on the counter. Can dehydrate 6 racks of mushrooms at once. Dishwasher-safe trays. Window to see your food. Cons. Only comes with one fruit tray. Not a high-capacity option. Heats up the house. Coming in number 4. Broad & Taylor SAHARA Folding Food. One of the biggest downsides to larger food dehydrators is that they take up so much space. This SAHARA dehydrator eliminates that problem almost entirely with its ingenious folding design. You'll get over 11 square feet of drying area for your mushrooms, and the 700-watt motor will be more than enough to keep up. Unfortunately, the shelves are stored separately, so it doesn't save quite as much space as you'd think. But still, something that compresses to 1/3 of its size and preserves your mushrooms is well worth it to pick up. Pros folds to take up less space when not in use. Adjustable timer and temperature control. Sturdy and good quality. Easy to open and fold up. Cons: racks are stored separately in an included bag. Knobs are small and hard to grip. Coming in number 3. Nesco FD75A. This small dehydrator is a perfect countertop option for drying out and preserving your mushrooms. Made up of several stack layers, you can actually fit a fair bit inside this machine. Plus it stores well when not in use, which is perfect for small spaces. Even though it doesn't look like much, this is actually a great dehydrator. The airflow moves across each section, and it does a good job of maintaining temperature. Smaller tray width is a downside, but not really a problem for mushrooms. Pros: compact, space-saving design. Fits on your countertop. Great quality dehydrator, especially in this price point. Cons. You can't see your food as it dehydrates. No automatic shut-off timer. Not very big unless you buy extra trays. Coming in number 2. Tribus Sedona Express. This is an amazing, professional quality food dehydrator and comes with a price point to match. That being said, someone who uses their dehydrator all the time for mushrooms is going to appreciate the investment they make in something like this. With super accurate settings and plenty of drying options, everything can be optimized. I also love that it has a glass front door so you can keep an eye on your mushrooms while they cook. With 10 trays, you'll be able to get all your dehydrating done in one shot. Pros: lots of dehydration options for optimal quality. Maintains safe temperatures. Really high quality. Extra large capacity. Cons. Since it's large, it also takes up a lot of space in your home. High-end, comes with higher price tag. Might be an overkill for occasional use. Coming in number 1. Ninja Footie 9-in-1. This isn't a dedicated food dehydrator, but rather a 9-in-1 cooking machine. If you're occasionally dehydrating mushrooms and want something that does double duty, then the Ninja Footie is great for that. As a dehydrator, you won't have as much space as other brands. So this is best for someone who just wants to do a bit of mushroom processing, and who can also use all the other features of the Ninja Footie. Maybe make some mushroom soup? Pros. Does more than just dehydrate. Compact and easy to use. Popular brand, so there's lots of tutorials online. Cons: small for a dehydrator. You have to purchase a rack that's sold separately. Bad choice if you don't want the other features or do a lot of dehydrating.